been a real breeze working with Sangfor.
Sangfor brings virtualization and cybersecurity under one roof, one platform. That's making a value proposition in the IT ecosystem.
Okay, whenever there is a call happens, there are people ready to support us with the customer.
Their local team is very responsive. That helps us a lot to grow and to give a very good solution to our customers. And we really like it. And we have been a partner with Sangfor for almost 5 years now.
Sangfor look after the partner quite well. They reward and protect partner from all sides of business.
So far we've been Sangfor partner for the past 8 years. We've been impressed with Sangfor solutions, and all the products are very user-friendly.
The keynote session and HQ visit were very impressive and well organized. We aim to strengthen our technical strength, technical capabilities together with Sangfor. So we wish Sangfor for its better and bright future.
I think Sangfor KCI is the best for the answer for you. Thank you so much.